Guys, major news. The AI sensation, the Chinese AI sensation that's been sweeping the world, has been compromised. Now, DeepSeek has leaked over 1 million chat logs and lots of user data. Was this by accident or was it an evil Chinese plot or hack to get everyone's data? I'm actually leaning towards the evil Chinese plot because, China's like strongly censored. Their government always wants like user data from around the world to manipulate things. So this wouldn't come to me as a surprise. And several countries, such as Italy, have already blocked it on their app stores. So DeepSeek, the AI Chinese startup, known for its DeepSeek R1 large language model, has publicly exposed two databases containing sensitive user and operational information. I think this was basically a plot to develop what seemed like a nice, benevolent AI system, gather people's data, and then leak it all to cause chaos. Now the Chinese government has that data and always has access to that data. So before you use any more Chinese-based projects for AI in the future, remember that you are submitting your data always in the hands of the Chinese government. It does not matter if they say you are or not. You are, because the Chinese government has authority over all those databases. So a security firm found two publicly available databases at oauth2callback.deepseek.com 9000 and dev.deepseek column 9000 that followed arbitrary SQL queries via a web interface without requiring authentication. The databases logged a log stream table that stored sensitive internal logs dating from January 6th. So if you used DeepSeek from January 6th onward, downloaded any of its apps, you are vulnerable. And if you stored any kind of like data, like, passwords, etc., using DeepSeek, you should change your passwords, delete your accounts, definitely delete your apps, and do not use DeepSeek again. I know some of you think like, DeepSeek is much faster and better than ChatGPT, Gemini, and all those things, but it's not really worth it. So the data contains users' queries to DeepSeek chatbot, keys used by back-end systems to authenticate API calls, internal infrastructure and services information, and various operational metadata. So like companies' information, individual information, and anything that you built on top of DeepSeek probably should not be used. The level of access posed a critical risk to DeepSeek's own security and for its end users. Don't really think DeepSeek was all that concerned about its end users' security. Not only an attacker could retrieve sensitive logs and actual plaintext chat messages, but they could also potentially exfiltrate plaintext passwords and local files along proprietary information directly from the servers using simple queries like select star from file name. Those are basic SQL queries. I used to do PHP and MySQL all the time, and anyone can actually do that. So this is very, very bad. Database is easily breached, and people's users' information is out there, and there's a huge amount of security problems. So I actually don't think this was by accident. I'm pretty sure this was by design, and I think it's basically, Chinese government has this information anyways, and they probably wanted to use it to expose data. So my advice is not to use Chinese AI projects in the future generally, no matter how good they actually seem. But if you have DeepSeek or anything like that on your, like phone or anything like that, I would definitely delete it. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.